What's going on, guys? 3G Racing here, and today I'm going to be installing my new grill into my Eclipse here, so let's get right into it. Alright, y'all, so here's the actual grill right here. Just slides in right here like this. I'll show you the other supplies that you need, but yeah, there's a video online for it already that's made by the company, but I just want to test it out for you guys and show you how it works. Alright guys, so here's what you'll need for the actual install. There's actually surprisingly no like screws or bolts or anything to keep it in place. It's just this little 3M molding tape you use. And then you'll need some either electrical tape or masking tape to line it up. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you actually want to do here is just fit this grill piece in here like this. Make sure it's lined up. Try to squeeze it in as straight and well as you can. Alright, so as you guys can see then here, the grill is in. Now I just got to make an outline of it so I can put on the 3M tape right there. Just try to get it as straight as you possibly can before doing this, and make it at a place that you're happy with it. Alright guys, so I'm done laying down the tape, top and bottom up there. And now all we gotta do is just punch this thing out quick. It's already decently stuck in there, as you can see, but just punch that out. And now I just gotta lay the 3M molding tape right behind all this electrical tape here. Alright, now I have the 3M tape laid out here. It's freezing outside, so I'm gonna go inside and warm up my hands before I put the grill in. But yeah, just gotta take off this red stuff now. I laid it all out, I took off the electrical tape, and then we'll be good to put the grill in. Alright y'all, so the grill is on the car. I like the way the grill looks itself, but not a fan of the installation. I'm really not sure how it's gonna hold up either. I did everything they said. I have 3M tape along the whole thing here, and I mean, I just can't see this staying there, to be honest. But I don't know, we'll go take it for a spin, hit some higher speeds, and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't fly off anywhere, but I can't say I'm a huge fan. I have it set up just how he said, so I don't know. Alright y'all, let's go take it for a rip and see how this new grill stays on the car. It stayed on after that little test drive there, so maybe we got something that works. Alright guys, well now it's time to put this puppy to the test, so let's see how it does. In the rear view, so that's a good sign. We're all right so far. Here it's coming to a stop quick. We'll try it again. Gotta have this thing good for the track, that way when I'm going down drag racing it doesn't fly off onto the track, then they'll get mad at me. So, but it seems to be holding on okay right now. We'll see when we get back what it looks like, but I'm assuming as long as nothing like big hits like a rock or something, I think we should be okay. But I just want to put it to the test now because you never know. It's held on by 3M tape. I don't really like the design of that, to be honest, but I mean, I guess it might be cheaper and easier for people who don't have a drill to put screws in, I guess, but I don't know. It is what it is, but it looks alright. I like the look of the grill itself. I just don't like the look of the tape on the outside of it. So, also, I have a bit of a cold right now, so excuse me if I sound a little bit congested, but yeah. But overall, it's a good grill for only $40 as well. You can find it on eBay, Car Custom Grills or CustomCarGrills.com, I think it is. So you can get it there. Just if you want to custom mount up something, you can do that. Or if people also go to Lowe's and get some material to custom make their own grills, you can do that as well. So, yep, that's about it. Yeah, let's do one little pull quick. Take it around some turns. Guys, and it looks like the grill's all in there okay still. Everything's still intact. Put it up to about 50, so I think it'll last okay on the highway. I hope so, at least. But yep. And then that'll do it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know how you feel about the grill down below, and if you need any help with anything, just comment it down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.